First, start at solarizewestchester.com. Enrolling takes 5 to 10 minutes from start to finish. Click Sign Up. Then, click Find My Project. Enter your zip code and confirm your utility to see the opportunities available to you. Choose your community solar project and click Sign Up. Enter your contact information and create a password. Click Continue Sign Up unless you'd like to schedule a call. Then enter your address. Estimate your monthly electricity bill. Don't worry about making this number accurate. Enter your utility account number. If you're a NYSEG customer, provide the POD ID number found on the third page of your NYSEG bill. Also, you can upload a copy of your utility bill. Enter the required information for the bank account you'd like to use to make the discounted payments for your solar credits. You'll always receive your solar credits first and make the discounted payments later. Your banking details are encrypted on a Citibank server. Your community solar agreement will render with the information you've provided. Click the yellow Start button, click to sign, type in your name, and click Apply. Click Next and apply your name again. Then click Finish, and you're all set.